Here's a nice little side dish to go along with maybe some tacos or some fajitas, or maybe you might like them how we eat them. If you want to follow along with me, I diced 3 medium potatoes, medium to small potatoes, and add maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil to this. Add 1 packet of taco seasoning mix. Let's give this a toss. You want to get those potatoes nice and coated. And now we're going to air fry these. Go ahead and dump those in your air fryer. I'm using a Ninja Foodie air fryer, but this works in other air fryers as well. We're going to start off by setting this on 325 degrees for 15 minutes because you don't want to overcook these and burn them. "15 minutes later, let's check on them. Go ahead and grab your tongs and we're just going to give them a toss. And you can kind of tell if they're done or not. But some of mine are not done. I can tell it's not crispy and they're kind of still a little hard. So we're going to set this again for 325 degrees. But this time we're only going to set this for about 8 minutes. And if you don't have an air fryer, you can do this right in your oven. However, if you do have an air fryer, they turn out so crispy on the outside and soft in the middle. We like to top these potatoes with cheese and put sour cream on top. And if we have some leftover chili, this is perfect for throwing your leftover chili right on top.